Is it time to redesign your website? 7 clear signs you should. Have you ever clicked on a website and left within seconds because it looked outdated or didn't work on your phone? What if your website is doing the same to your visitors? In this video, I'll show you 7 clear signs it's time for a website redesign. 1. Outdated design. If your site looks like it was built a decade ago, visitors will assume your business is outdated too. 2. Not mobile friendly. Over 60% of web traffic comes from mobile. If your site isn't responsive, you're losing potential customers. 3. Slow loading speed. Every extra second of load time means fewer conversions. Tools like Google PageSpeed can help you check this. 4. Poor user experience. Is it hard to find info, or does navigation feel confusing? That's a big red flag. 5. Low conversion rates. Lots of traffic but no sales or inquiries. Your design could be the problem. 6. Doesn't reflect your brand anymore. If you've rebranded but your website still shows the old colors or logo, it's time to align. 7. Not SEO optimized. If your site isn't structured for SEO, you're invisible to Google and to potential clients. So, how many of these signs did your website check off? If it's more than 2 or 3, you're due for a redesign. Want help figuring out what to improve? Drop a comment below or check out